Hey guys, welcome back to Big Giant Tech. Now if you're new to my YouTube channel guys, please hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment to my YouTube videos. Now this video tutorial is all about how to design and install your virtual number OTP code for your website. If you want to get something like this, it's sleek, it is nice, it is easy to use. Now this is user section now, which is nice, and I'll show you guys how to actually install this design and able to use this to match your business purpose. See you guys in the next segment. Hey guys, welcome back to Big Giant Tech. Now this is the second segment of this video section, how to install your SMSVirtualOTP website. Now I'm using your Stinger for this video section. Now your PHP version should be above 8.3. So this is my website, which is empty. So I'll go back to my hosting environment. If you're new to cPanel or you're using hPanel, so it's still the same process. Just locate your file manager. So once you come to your file manager, go to your public_HTML or your add-on domain. So this is mine. I'll go to upload. Now if you're new to cPanel, before you come to your public_HTML, click on the top right corner, which is you see something like settings. Click on it. It shows you or display a pop-up. Ensure to click on show hidden files and home directory. So most of the files and all hidden files will show, which is very important. Now go back to your public_HTML or your add-on domain to continue your installation. So I'll go to upload and select my file. So this is my zip file. Click on it and click open. So while this is uploading guys, go back to your hosting environment. Now locate where you have database wizard. So let me just fill out this information. So I've created mine. Now if you're using cPanel, once you put in your username password, then it takes you to a different section which shows you all privileges. Ensure to click on it. Very important. So I'll click on create. As you can see, my database has been created successfully. So I'll go straight to enter PHPMadmin. Then you locate PHPMadmin. So go to your database name, click on import, and you choose your file. Now this is our database file. Now click open. Scroll down to import. As you can see, our database has been stored and imported successfully. Now go back to your hosting environment. Now what you need to do is ensure you create your company email account. Just go to email account, then click on create email account. It's very important. And ensure to save your information on your notepad. So let me go back to my file. As you can see, my file has been uploaded successfully. So what next you just have to do is extract this file. Just put a folder name. So I'll go to the folder and copy all and move them to my public_HTML, or if you're using your add-on domain, just move them to where you have your domain name present. So I'll just delete this. Now this is good. So go back to your website and reload. Now we have error, right? So go back to your public_HTML, go to core, then edit your .env section. To edit this .env, so here you just have to copy this and you paste it here. Now copy your database information. So all what you're doing is just copy and paste. So good. Now we're using after you've done it, just click save, then come back to the website and reload. So let me reload here again. Okay, so go back to your file manager, go to the .env section and change this app debug to true. I think I know why I'm getting this. I think it's my database password. So now it's my database password, so I'll just go back to my hosting environment. So let me change my password. So I'll go to database. If I use cPanel, go to database manager, but most times you might not get the same error. Okay, it's just my password. So I'll just change password for this, and so I'll just copy this and re-update it. So I'll save it back here. So I'm going back to my .env. So let me change this my database password. I'll come back here and reload this. So as you can see, that error happened because of my password. So that is it. Ensure to, this is how you debug this website. Just take this back to false. So it's not nice users saying that kind of errors. So guys, this is the front end of the website, which is nice. Now to get your admin section to be your domain name /admin. So good, your domain name /admin. Now go back to your PHP admin, go to admins. Okay, let me reload this section because I changed the password, so I have to reload here back. So I just have to exit that section and we go back to my PHP admin. So I'll click on admins. So edit this section here. Now your company email you created, copy it like this. Do not let it have space behind this. It's not good. You have errors. You can change your username for your admin. You can change it to a very strong username if you want to. Now for the password section here, now to encrypt this should be password hash. Okay, this is what you do. Then click on go. So I'll go back to the admin section, admin, and I'll put in my password and log in. So basically guys, this is how you log into the admin section of your website. Now what next you do here is you copy this your cron job. Now you set this to once per 5 minutes is ideal. So copy this. We are doing 2 cron job. Now if you're getting this script from me, you're also getting a text section I added. I'll show you guys that. Now this is it. We have another cron job here. Okay, this is the cron job. Now this is the first one. So go to your hosting environment. So go to advanced. If you're using cPanel, just scroll down to your hosting cPanel environment. You're able to see cron jobs. Now, so you take this to the custom, not the PHP. You take this to custom. Okay. So you want to do this, just paste this and you put your domain name. Okay. You set this to this will be every 5 minutes. So you just click on save. So that's how you do the cron job. Now the other one here is, now this is different also. Copy this, change this domain.com to your domain and take it to every minute, which is every 1 minute. Then click save. So that's how you set your cron job. Okay, so that's it. It looks like your Stripe. This is other settings. I will talk about it now. Before I continue further, you get to see this website that opened as SMSVirtualOTP.com. Now this is what you're using to verify the SMS OTP. This is the website you're using. So you just create your account. I've created an account, so I've logged into this. I'll just go to API docs. Now we're not using setting up any webhook. For instance, let me just show you guys an instance. Just copy your domain name, then you go back here. So we are not setting webhook because the customization did not come with webhook. So just your API. Okay, copy your API, and if you're a developer, you want to improve on it more, you're able to see more on what to do. Then you go back to your file manager, locate your .env and edit it. Scroll down to this section here and just paste your API key. So that's how it works. Now we have referral bonus 500. You can change this referral bonus. Now the virtual number reservation, just keep it this way. You can just keep them this way. The only thing changes your API key and your top up bonus. Okay, so I'll click save. So basically that's how it works. So that's that for that section. Now the main section here is let me open this in a new tab again. So come to system settings. Now you click on general settings. Now this is the very first thing you do. You change this to your website. So you change it to your website name. Okay, now you can change this to your currency of your choice, or depending on the country you are. Then click word save. You can change the base color, as you can see here, which is the red. Then what next is click on system settings again, go to logo and favicon. This is where you set up your logo and favicon. So that is it. Go to system settings, go to system configuration. Now ensure user registration, good. False secured password, email verification, email notification. Now for the mobile verification, if you have your SMS OTP or SMS API, you can enable this. And also for the push notification, then auto activate card is not needed if you want to. Language option, you can enable this and submit. So you go back to system settings again. We have that for the payment gateway. Now all these are automatic payment gateway. So let's say, for instance, let me locate Paystack. You edit this section here. Now this is your webhook callback URL and your test secret key. Now what you just need to do here is, now this is the minimum amount you want for your Paystack. So you just have to put your public secret key and your test secret key here, and also you can select your country, your currency, but this is not actually needed. So you just go to manual gateway. Manual gateway, add new manual gateway. Put in your image, the gateway name, and the gateway rate, minimum and maximum amount, the charges you want to, then user deposit instruction. Let me just do this. So this is for Bitcoin and BTC. You can just put the rate. So I'll just use 1, but this is not the rate for a Naira to BTC currently. I just put this for example purpose. And the minimum amount user can deposit here is 100, and the maximum. Then the fixed charges is 0. There's no fixed charges or percentage here. So instruction, I'll just put the wallet address information. Okay, then you can just come here and say add new, select one. What do you want users to, like, add more information to this? So I'll just want let me say file upload. I'll make this required. Upload payment proof. Enable all file extension. I'll just enable this 3, no PDF. Then this should be in the full length. Okay, good. I'll click on add. You can see, then submit. So once I go back to manual gateway, you can see I've added this. I also added, if you want to edit, click on edit this section and you're able to edit this information. So this is how it works also. So you go back to system settings, go to SEO configuration. Now this is very important. This section here, you need to change your logo and change your information. This is how customer sees you on Google. So go back to system settings. Now manage front end. Now this is the section you can just click settings here. This is how you edit your front end, the full front end of the website. You must go to manage front end and also manage pages. So this is how you edit it. So I won't be going too deep on that, just to save time and video duration. This is for social login settings. Okay, you can just edit all this. So you go back to system settings. You come to languages. Now we have English. You want to add new, put the language name and language code, and you can set this, just leave this on set and upload image. So that's how it works. So go back to system settings, extension. Now we have custom captcha. If we enable this custom captcha, users, before they will log in, they have to put in a, let me just enable this so you guys will understand. If you go to configure, okay, this is good this way. So go back to your website, go to login. So this is what is called a custom captcha, for also to avoid bots from logging in. And if you want to use talk.to live chat, this is what you do here. So you go back to system settings. So all these are what you just do. Go to fee and Stripe configuration. This is for Stripe. Okay, so you go to fee and charge. This is for card information, but just go through this in your spare time. Okay, if you click on extra, let's say, so I think you go back to system settings, go to notification settings, and now I skip this part for a reason. Now once you go to notification settings, click on this, copy your company email you created and paste it here. So once you've done that, copy your domain URL, come to this section here and paste it here. As you can see, then you click submit. Next section here is come to email settings. You change this to SMTP. So I'm using Ostinger. Mine will be smtp.ostinger.com. So this is it. So come back to, ensure you copy your company email password you created, okay, and paste it here. So this is how the settings should look like. Then click what submit. So let's click on test this email. Let's see if it's working. So go back to your email and reload. So our SMTP we created is correct. So this SMS is for if you have any of this SMS information, you can configure that. Push notification, if you have this, configure it. There are notification templates. These are all the templates. Just go through them one after the other for email, SMS. If you want to change anyone that does not suit your website information. So I think we're good to go. So come to manage cards. Okay, this is for manage cards. This is top ups. I don't think this is related to what we're doing. Let's see. I think this is a customized section. So go back to the website. Let's create an account. So I'll click on sign up. So let me just fill out this information. This is optional. You just leave it this way. So for the password section, I have to put a strong password. Then my captcha, just have to go through the captcha process. Ensure to click I agree and click sign up. As you can see, this is how it is. Then I'll click on this and just fill out this information. So a 6-digit verification code has been sent to us. So go back to your email. So this is the code. I'll copy this and paste it. So this is how it works basically. I know you guys must be wondering how you need to edit all this. It's simple to do. So go back to your file manager. Go to your file manager. Go to where you have your domain name. Go to core. Go to resources. Go to views. It should be under templates. Go to basic. Go to user section. So this is user dashboard, I think. No. So let me go back again. So this is the dashboard.blade.php. I did this, and we're looking for a pop-up. I think reload the section. Okay, it won't go. So let me locate it again. But you can actually locate them here just to save time. All the user information are here. Go back to views. Go to partials. This is for notify.blade. So once you go back to template, go to basic. If you go to layout, now this is for the front end and this is master.blade. Go to master.blade. Let's see. So this is the first pop-up that shows up. So whenever users register, so you just have to change all the information that is not yours. So I don't want to go too deep on this because it's easier to do. So that's that. Now users can also add their own API to your website. So I mean, users can also create their own website using your own API. Get it? So this is how it works. So these are all the APIs. As you can see, users can copy this. Now if you also have a website that boosts social media accounts, you can also put it here. Put your informations. Okay, if users come to settings, so this is how it works. Okay, let me go back to dashboard. So let me click on top of wallet. Now remember we enable paste tag, and this is manual process. Let me go back to fund wallet. Okay, let me go back to, let's see, go to system settings, go to payment gateway. Let's go to manual gateway. We have bank transfer. Why is it not showing? Okay, this is being disabled, I think. It's enabled. Okay, go back again to the website. We're just getting this. So let me just put this for instance and confirm deposit. So this is the wallet, user copy, and let me just upload an image. So I'll click what? Pay now. So users also get emails, as you can see. Go back to admin. Go to we have payment. Go to pending payment. So this is it. Click on detail section here, and you can download the attachment to your device and approve. Good. So once I come back here and reload this section, as you can see, go back to the dashboard. This has been added to the user account. Now if user click on virtual number, now if your API is right, all this section will pop out. Okay, so let me click here, and as you can see, all these are popping out. Ensure your informations in your API is correct. Users won't be able to see this if not. If you click on this, unable to buy this because the fund is not real, but this is just SMS website. So what I just did is just a virtual fund. I have not added funds to this platform. You need to fund this wallet here. So once you fund this wallet, get account number. You can also boost link here. So this is just how it works. Once you fund there, users pay through your platform. It collects the amount there, the percentage you put. Okay, remember the percentage here is, if you go back to your public_html, if you go to .env section, under here you get to see 80%. This 80% is the percentage you get from every number users buy from the platform. So let me go back here. So that's how it works basically, just for virtual number. That card section you're saying is not there. This is a customized platform for just virtual number top up. So guys, this is how it works basically. If you want to know more about this website, you want to get this, you want to use it, you can message me on WhatsApp. The link is below my video. Thank you guys for watching my video once more. Please hit the subscribe button, like, share, and comment on Big Giant Tech. See you guys in the next video.